So today I'm on the 9 from Upton Crossroads to bus station. Technically this is the 9 to Poole circular. ETA to Poole bus station will be 1:03 PM. So today's bus I'm on is 1197. So features usual go South Coast maquette. Fortunately no mirror up there, but there's a mirror left to me. So 1197's a Scania N230UD OMNICity with in its Morebus swing livery. Right. Okay. We're just gonna wait here for a bit. Look, once we arrive, hopefully there should be a 60 awaiting for you to depart. So towards Rockley, go to stand H, then it will leave at 1:15. We're just currently on Marston. That was New Orchard Road. Stop. Old Orchard. Right then. Oh, here's 3816 on the Route 1. That left. Oh, I think that must have left. So that left Poole bus station 2 minutes ago. Next one's Nelson Court. Like, or you can. Have a good afternoon.
You too. Bye, darling.
I guess you two are staying on towards the bus station?
Yeah, I am.
Fair enough. I'm getting my bus home after.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm not local around here. I'm from Swanage.
Oh.
Yeah. So anyway, back to the bus. So today's bus I'm on is 1197 HF58 GZM, a Scania OMNICity with a Scania N230UD chassis. Frequency from the 9, they are every half hourly, Monday to Saturday, and every hour on a Sunday. So buses the 9 normally uses, it's mostly Eclipse 2s, but on rare occasions you sometimes get Scania OMNICities, especially the N270UD and N230UD batch, including the X-Vectis buses, for example like 1147, 1148, 1149, 1152, and 1150, 1151 and 1152. This stop is Sainsbury's. So my next bus of the afternoon will be the Purbeck Breezer 40 from Poole to Swanage at 1:35. please do bear in mind the 40 is currently on a diversion due to Kings Road West being shut off for 2 weeks for Dorset Council roadworks. That will last until Friday the 19th of September. So we're now on Southdown Bridge, and we're about to go to Poole bus station. So time now is 1:01 p.m. So we've got Blue Star 1644 and 1647, I do believe. Terminates here. Oh, I see like an Eclipse 2 and a Scania OMNICity. That's probably 11:22 or 20. Oh no, that's 11:09 and 22:65. So we've got a 60 that stands H. So, well, there's an 898 currently at G stand. We might have to use F stand. Oh. Anyway, see you in the next one, guys. Goodbye.